In the latter part of this verse, the word clearly states that as Jesus is in this world, so are we. When we became born of God, our very nature is identical to the nature of Jesus Christ. Remember, as He is in this world, so are we. The text didn't say, so shall we be, which would speak of the future. The text was used in the present tense when it describes our born again spirit as one in Christ Jesus. Most believers don't believe this powerful truth because they are controlled by their five senses through what they can see, hear, feel, taste, or smell. Therefore, if they should fall short by some action, they allow self condemnation to take hold of them, or even allow the devil to persuade them that they are unworthy and that God will not hear their prayers.